Next topic is chemical properties of acids. First one, reaction with active metals. All the metals which are present above hydrogen in the activity series, they displace hydrogen from the acids and results in the formation of salt and hydrogen gas. Now in this case, we don't use nitric acid to prepare hydrogen gas. Reason, because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent, therefore it oxidizes hydrogen and results in the formation of water. Only manganese and magnesium, it reacts with very dilute HNO3, that is only 1%, and results in the formation of nitrate and hydrogen. Second chemical property is reaction with bases, that is neutralization. Base reacts with acid, neutralize it and forms salt and water. Third one, action of dilute acids on certain salts, for example carbonates and bicarbonates. Whenever carbonate and bicarbonate, they react with acids, the main product, that is salt, is formed along with water, but carbon dioxide gas is released. Brisk effervescence of CO2 is formed, which turns lime water milky. So remember students, when carbonate and bicarbonate is there, it will always result in the formation of CO2. But if the salt is insoluble, then the further reaction does not take place as it results in the formation of a precipitate. Third is decomposition of sulfides and bisulfides. Acids reacts with sulfides and bisulfides and results in the formation of sulfur dioxide gas, and sulfur dioxide gas turns orange color potassium dichromate paper green. Then fifth one, decomposition of sulfides. Sulfides, they react with acids and results in the formation of salts plus rotten egg-like smelling gas, hydrogen sulfide. For example, ZnS plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2S. Then reaction of chlorides we have already done only. For example, sodium chloride when reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, and if the temperature is below 200 degrees Celsius, partial replacement occur resulting in the formation of acidic salt NaHSO4 plus HCl. If the temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, then complete replacement occur resulting in the formation of normal salt Na2SO4 and HCl. Same is the case with the nitrates also. But the nitrates do not react with dilute acids. However, lead nitrate, for example PbNO3 twice, they react with dilute HCl and sulfuric acid, resulting in the formation of insoluble salt, white color, PbCl2 and PbSO4. Next, last topic under acid is uses of acid, and it is given in the green table which is given on page number 42. Boric acid, it is used for eye wash as an antiseptic. Citric acid as a source of vitamin C. Oxalic acid to remove ink stain. Carbonic acid in cold drinks. Tartaric acid in baking powder. Acetic acid in vinegar. Hydrochloric acid to clean metals before the process of extraction. Benzoic acid also in perfumes and medicines. Nitric acid as an explosive, and phosphoric acid as a fertilizer in order to increase the fertility of the soil. Thank you.